Hey! Hey!
The express train from the city is now arriving on platform 4.
It should be on time. Here are your fresh croissants.
Thank you, they look perfect. How much is it?
That'll be $5.
Looks like they have come.
It's been so long. I missed you guys so much. This is the best.
Here you go, a hot snack for the cold journey.
Thanks, that smells amazing.
Hi, I'd like to order some snacks, please. Great, thank you so much. Room service. Thank you. I'm full now. The food is so delicious. Yay! I won the game! Look, everyone! Wow, it's so pretty! This is so relaxing. I know, right?
Riding through the snow, what a lovely night. Singing our song, I'm feeling so alive.